Hi friends, welcome back to the Inventor tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this basic part in Autodesk Inventor software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select 2D sketch, select plane. The dimension is overall length is 100, height is 18 plus 6, 24 mm, width is 50 mm. Give the dimensions. Eight, 6, 18. Overall length is 100. Select circle. Diameter is 42 and 22. Select line. Select trim. Give the height is 40 mm. Select vertical constraint. Select horizontal constraint. So thickness is 18 mm. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 50 mm. Next, there is a one rib 12 mm thickness center of the object. Select mid plane. sketch, select line, (45), finish sketch, select extrude, mid plane, give the thickness is 12 mm, finish. Select this surface, sketch. There is a one circle hole, diameter 16, dimension is 25 from the side. Give a horizontal constraint, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select cut, reverse the direction, through hole, ok. Next R3 fillets, select fillet, give the dimension R3 mm, select the edges. So if you want, you can provide a here also. And we can give the chamfer for the holes also, select chamfer. This is for enter the object, entry chamfer. That's it, friends. So assign the material here, select any steel materials like mild steel. So here you can assign the polishes or finishes: steel, steel cast, steel blue, steel galvanized, this is for other application, I think. So I will go with steel blue. If you want, you can change the finishes. Save the part. So that's it, friend, today's session. Once again, I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.